Hey, in front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this Motorola. First of all, you need to access Settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose System. After that, you need to click on Gestures and tap on one-handed mode. Finally, click on this switcher to activate it and follow all of those instructions. First of all, you need to make sure that Pull Screen into Reach option is set up. Then, we need to follow those, so swipe down from the edge of the screen. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. In order to go back, you can swipe up or click on this area. If you wish to disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same switcher. If you are using Tricky's navigation though, you need to click on one-handed mode and instead scroll all the way down. Then click on this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. After that, select Got It, and in order to access one-handed mode, click on the shortcut. Go back the same way. You can even move your shortcut around by holding it and dragging it. In order to disable this feature completely, tap on the switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!